I'm back in the studio and it's been a really good week. I've gotten a lot of painting done this week, which is great because it's not always the case. Sometimes it ebbs and flows, but I still like to come and put in some type of work when I'm here in the studio. Whether I'm inspired or uninspired, I like to look for things that help keep me inspired. Sometimes just coming and painting for half an hour can do the trick for me. For me to feel like, cool, I did something, I'm making forward progress in some way with my creativity. And I'm actually really looking forward to this one because the piece that you see behind me, this is going to be the last time I show it because it has actually sold and is going home to its new collector. So thank you to the person who acquired it. I'm excited to show the process of how I made this one. It's titled In Between Dreams, and it represents serenity and what it feels and looks like to be at peace. I kind of like to create from a space of where I'm at in my own life. For those who have asked, everything that you see me paint is always oil on wood panel. I sometimes paint with different mediums, but for the most part, oil on wood panel is my favorite process. I also paint on linen at times, which is another one of my favorite things to paint on, but oil on wood panel, it just kind of speaks to me. It always has. So yeah, before I ship this one, I want to show the process of how I made it, touch it up, and add some different highlights. And the shipping center closes soon, so I gotta get to it.